Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Lucas Core with a specific project context and the correct credentials. Run Lucas Core init project and supply core KEY and node URL when prompted. This creates the project scaffold. Once done, check Lucas Core status to confirm the daemon is running. Make sure logs show no missing modules and that API token is accepted. This first step gets you an active environment, so subsequent configuration applies to the right runtime. You now define how Lucas processes tasks by editing config. YAML with pipeline stages, resource caps, and retry logic. Reason: explicit limits prevent cascading failures. Once configured, run Lucas Core apply pipeline name to push the pipeline and watch the deployment steps in the CLI. While applying, monitor slash metrics for throughput and latency and tail logs to catch schema or auth errors early. If a task stalls, adjust concurrency or backoff values and reapply to iterate quickly. You complete the setup by validating and promoting the pipeline. Run Lucas Core validate to ensure configs are consistent, then Lucas Core promote to move to production. After promotion, run a small smoke test to confirm expected outputs and latency. If something goes wrong, immediately collect logs with Lucas Core logs since 10M and perform Lucas Core rollback to the previous stable revision. This restores service while you patch the failing pipeline. One key tip: check token expiration first. Auth failures are common and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.